Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing the PowerBlock Elite EXP adjustable dumbbells, a smart and space-saving solution for full-body strength training at home. If you're tired of cluttered gyms or buying multiple sets of dumbbells, PowerBlock solves that problem perfectly. This all-in-one adjustable dumbbell system replaces an entire rack of traditional weights, ranging from 5 to 50 pounds per hand in stage 1. The design is compact, efficient, and built for serious training. The first thing you notice is the durable steel construction. These dumbbells feel solid in hand and are designed to last for years of heavy use. Weight changes are extremely fast thanks to the selector pin system, allowing you to switch weights in seconds. This is ideal for drop sets, supersets, and circuit training without interrupting your workout flow. From a training perspective, these dumbbells are incredibly versatile. You can perform bicep curls, shoulder presses, chest presses, rows, lunges, goblet squats, and many compound movements. Because resistance can be adjusted in small increments, it supports progressive overload, which is essential for muscle growth and strength development. One of the biggest advantages is expandability. The Elite EXP system can be expanded up to 70 or 90 pounds per dumbbell using optional expansion kits. This makes it suitable for beginners, intermediate lifters, and advanced strength athletes without needing to replace equipment later. The compact design also improves safety and control. Since the weights are evenly distributed, the dumbbells stay balanced during lifts, reducing strain on wrists and joints. This makes them excellent for controlled strength training, rehab exercises, and home workouts. If you want professional-grade adjustable dumbbells that save space, grow with your strength, and deliver real results, the PowerBlock Elite EXP is one of the best investments you can make. If this review helped you, check the link below to buy on Amazon, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more honest fitness and equipment reviews.